My family's first computer was an Apple IIgs, and this is back in the day when Apple had two keys for what we now call the command key. They had the open Apple key and they had the closed Apple key. Eventually they got rid of the closed Apple completely, and then the open Apple key, they removed the Apple from it. It's now the command key. It just says command. It's got the clover leaf on it. But the reason I tell you this is because for me, the keyboard, for some reason, this is very central to the way I use the computer, and I've always been a huge user of keyboard shortcuts. And so something I've wanted to do for a while is to create kind of what I'm calling workflow walkthroughs. And so I am really nerdy and I use my computer fairly efficiently, and over the course of time, my life, I've gotten pretty good at creating these workflows that help me get through daily tasks and just use my computer in a more efficient way. And so what I want to do is I want to share with you some of those things that I do. And so I'm going to create this video series and post about it on my blog. And some of the stuff I'm sure will be fairly useful for you. Some might even blow your mind. Some of it's going to be totally not useful at all. And that's fine. Part of the reason I want to do this is just kind of reflect on how I use my computer. And for some reason, this is fairly important for me. So thanks for joining me.